Sorry, some engine sounds I've heard this summer only. There's a train, a working train for construction, and they only come no, they almost only come at night. It sounds and there are the Harley Davidsons without exhaust. This thing inside the exhaust pipe. And what else? There was I've heard nitromethane cars on the highway, like and I've heard many fishing boats and and even older ones, they're like 50 years old,